Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share 5 best useful YouTube features for laptop and desktop in 2022. Let me show you what are the useful features in YouTube. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Number 1. From my laptop, I just opened Chrome browser. So this is my YouTube. So I have watched a lot of videos, but my YouTube screen is in light. So I want to change into dark theme. What I have to do here, on your right hand side, you will find an option called your login ID details. So just click here and just go to appearance and device theme. So just click here, you will find an option called use device theme or dark theme or light theme. So just select a dark theme. Automatically my theme, that is my YouTube theme, will be changed like a dark theme. So if I can refresh, means everything will be in dark theme, so that I can able to see and with a clear picture on that. So if I want to turn into light theme, so just click here to change my light theme. So this is a beautiful option. So if you want to change your theme appearance dark into light and light into dark, it is beautiful. And the second one, if you want to change your YouTube language, you can change your YouTube language. So just click here, there will be a language, English will be there. So I just click here to change my official language or my mother tongue. So while I want to change my mother tongue or any other language, means it will convert into mother tongue or your language, so that it is easy to have access with that. So you can get your own language in YouTube. So what are the menus are there, everything will be in your language. So if I want to change into Dutch, if I want to change into different kind of language, everything will be changed according to my mother tongue language. So you can choose and give your language. Otherwise you just select the English, basic English, means it will change like a basic English model. So you want to change this like German or any other things, the language will be changed like this. And the third one is most important. If you are in India, your video will show like Indian videos only. So if you want to change your country region, means you can change your country region and you can check their trendings. What you have to do here, just click the same logo or icon, and here there will be a location. Just click here to change your location. For example, I want to know in Australia what are the trending topics are there. Just click here, so it will change like an Australian one, so that you can check and explore what are the trending topics are there in Australia. So you can find out, so these are the trending topics in Australia, because the location was changed over here, so that I can able to identify what are the basic trending topics in that countries. So I can change a different type of countries, and I can able to watch and get updated knowledge in YouTube. So each and every country has a different kind of trending topics and different kind of videos. Everything will be displayed over there in Explorer and trending option. It's a beautiful tip and features, so that each and every country will have that kind of option. So if I want to change like my country details, means just select and give your country name, means automatically it will change, and what are the trending topics in your country will be displayed over there. It's a beautiful option to you. Yes, the fourth one is how many data you spent in YouTube. So just to select here, and your data will be there in YouTube. So once you click, means how many data you spent for your YouTube. Automatically it will move into dashboard, and what are the details are there, subscription details, and what are you spend your YouTube time, everything will be calculated by YouTube. So it is a beautiful tips to you. The fifth one is most important tips, is in a restricted mode. For example, if you want to restrict your YouTube mode, that is a restricted mode, so mature content should be switched off, means just select here and you will get an option called restricted mode. Once you select activate restricted mode, means the kids can able to watch. There will be a filter content will be there, so that you can give this YouTube or laptop to your kids, means they can able to watch without any other mature content. It's a beautiful option to you. So if you are a parent, if you are a teacher, means if you want to reduce the content which is trending contents, it should not be displayed to the students, means you just select the restricted mode, and if you enable this option, means you can freely give them with a clear picture of the YouTube. These 5 most important useful tips will help you to gain your knowledge in YouTube. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.